Now, US President Donald Trump is currently holding talks with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at the White House. This is the fourth such meeting this year. Trump is pushing an increasingly isolated Israel to accept a 21-point framework of new peace plan to end the Israel-Gaza war. Israel is under increasing global pressure to end the conflict. But negotiations have been at a standstill since Israel bombed Qatar on the 9th of September in an attempt to assassinate Hamas's top leadership. Even as Mr. Netanyahu and Mr. Trump discuss plans for post-war Gaza, Israeli forces continue to sweep through Gaza City, forcing hundreds of thousands of Palestinians to flee. Listen in to what President Trump said before the meeting.
President Trump, are you confident, sir, there'll be peace in Gaza anytime soon? And the 21-point plan, is everyone on board?
Will we have a deal today, Mr. President?
My colleague Disha joins us with more details on this. Disha, what are going to be the big takeaways from this meeting?
The big focus, of course, is US President Donald Trump's push for a Gaza peace plan, which he's now going to try to make Netanyahu come to the table and convince him to agree to this 21-point framework that is now being proposed by Washington. Now, this includes, of course, complete hostage release, but also demands that Israel open up complete access to aid to enter into Gaza, as well as gradually withdraw Israeli troops. Now, to remind our viewers, Israel is currently in the midst of an ongoing military operation to take over Gaza City, which they claim is the centerfold of the Hamas operations, and they aim to destroy the Hamas operations in the enclave by taking over Gaza City. And so far, this has been, again, one of the bloodiest operations that Israel has been conducting in Gaza City, with now the death toll in this war has reached over 66,000. Now, to talk about this particular peace plan, what makes it different? This is actually being led and proposed by former UK Prime Minister Tony Blair, who's also working on a post-war Gaza plan in the enclave. So we have to wait and watch to see what really comes out of this meeting when the two leaders hold that joint presser.